Okay, brief description on how to build a route. After you open up the application by touching on the icon, you come to your landing page. On the lower left-hand side, there is an icon that says aircraft, and one right here that shows dotted dash lines, and that represents your en route portion of the Jeppesen flight deck. When we select that icon, it pulls up this page, and it says en route, origin, destination, and routing, and a search feature. When we touch on the origin, there's a field that needs to be filled. Let's say, for instance, I want to go to Portland Airport, but I'm, for argument's sake, not sure how to spell it. So I can type in P-O-R-T-L, and that's all I know of how to spell it roughly. I hit the search feature. It will give you a series of airports to choose from. There's Portland International, KPWMW, that's not what I want. Portland International, KPDX, that's what I want, and it will actually put the airport in there. If you're interested in searching, in my destination I'll put Seattle, but if you're interested in searching for more information, you can go to this search prompt on the upper right, and you have a choice between airports, nav aids, and waypoints. Let's say I'm trying to find a nav aid that's near Portland, and I know it's Battleground, B-A-T-T, and that's all I know how to spell. So I hit the search feature, and it pulls up. There's Battle Creek, and then there's Battleground. And the nice thing about it is it gives you a whole bunch of information as far as lat-long, Morse code destination, location as far as lat-long. If I try to do that on the airport, and I type in, let's say, SEA, for Seattle, it pulls up a bunch of different choices, and here is Seattle Tacoma. What I like about it is it gives you general information, runway information as far as length, width, and it'll also give you communications as far as approach control frequencies and other types of area controls that might be of interest to you. When entering a route, the same thing applies. You go and put in Battleground, BTG, space, and let's say we want to go to Olympia, but we're not sure how to spell it. Click on nav aids, OLYM, hit search, and there it is, OLM. The nice thing is that it will scroll over to where it is on the chart to help you orient yourself and ensure that you're actually choosing the proper nav aid. And in fact, it is correct because I see Battleground in Portland. So I go ahead and type in OLM, hit done, and now it draws a line and shows you your route of flight: Portland, Battleground, Olympia, Seattle. That's pretty much it. For other areas to take a look at, when you have your iPad open and you're working with your own computer, your iPad, open up these fields and take a look to see. You have some operational notes. And what's interesting about it is it will show you the FR boundaries and anything that it pertains to your route of flight. On the regional prompt, it opens up the operational notes, and again, it will pull up any type of stuff that may impact your flight. These are all FIR, so boundaries going outbound over the oceanic portion, I'm not that interested in it. I can come over here to the reference, and it pulls up and says regional. Again, these are all FIR boundary type stuff, not necessarily domestic in nature. And I can come over here to my high charts, and I can pull up my themes. Right now I have jet routes. I can change it to the low en route in case we have Victor Airways that we're using to depart on, and we want to find a fix to help us load our flight plan into the FMC. That's it.